जिनके अंडर मैंने ट्रेनिंग ली कि हाउ टू बिकम ट्रेनर, उनसे मैंने एक कुछ बात सीखी एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर दैट विथ यू. एंड व्हाट इज दैट? दिस इज ब्लेयर सिंगर. And if you want to become a great trainer or if you want to become a great presenter, you must follow him. And he has given one mantra to everyone. You know what is that mantra? His mantra is context versus content. Or let me put it in different words, content versus context. And from there, my style of presentation has changed completely. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean to say, हम लोग जब भी ट्रेनिंग मिलता है तो पहले पीपीटीज बनाने के पीछे बोर्ड पढ़ते हैं और बहुत बार ये होता है कि मैं क्या बताऊं, उसमें स्लाइड्स कितनी बनाऊं, कैसे बनाऊं, व्हाट शुड आई से, एंड वी डू नॉट टॉक अबाउट हाउ शुड आई से. एम आई मेकिंग सेंस? What are those top 3 messages I want to leave with? Audience should have those top 3 messages all the time. Making sense to everyone? So, he has given the example of this cup. What he says, that whenever any presentation, training, whatever, whenever you want to talk to people also, you know, it is like a cup. Like for example, there is a cup. You put a water inside or a tea inside, right? It takes that cup shape automatically. Now what happens? You are changing the cup shape. Maybe you put it in the saucer, the same tea will take the saucer shape. Am I right?
Yes.
So what makes a difference is what is holding. So tea is tea, but how are you serving the tea? Your house will also have some, you know, norms. कि अगर चाय कोई दे रहा है तो चाय के साथ सिर्फ चाय नहीं देते, बिस्किट देते हैं, है ना? उसके साथ नमकीन जाएगा. गेस्ट आएंगे तो क्या सिर्फ चाय ले आएंगे? चाय कभी हाथ में नहीं आएगी, ट्रे में जाएंगे. Am I right? सर हंस रहा है. So you have norms for even that simple presentation, right? कब कौन से देने हैं जब गेस्ट आने वाले हैं? जो रेगुलर लोग हैं उनके लिए क्या देने वाले हो, इसके लिए हम लोग बैठते रहते हैं, यार हम भी तो गेस्ट है, कभी हमें भी ऐसा सर्व करो, अच्छा लगता है. सो इन द सिमिलर वे व्हेन यू आर गिविंग प्रेजेंटेशन, सी कंटेंट इज फाइन. You will add pictures, you will add videos, you will have some definitions, you will have some data, you will have some customers, you know, you will have everything. But what makes a difference is how are you presenting it? Like for example, in the morning he was telling me that he's going to give some presentation and जहाँ पे उनको बताना है कि पानी का वेस्टेज कितना होता है. For example, उन्होंने बोला एक कोक की बोतल बनाने के लिए कितना वेस्टेज है? 55 लीटर का वेस्टेज है. Right? Now this is a glaring data. Someone can put it on the slide and that's a data. But someone says, can anyone guess how much water wastage happens in making one soft drink? Can anyone guess? Let them guess. Let them guess. Let them guess. And then he says, let me tell you, the wastage is this much. And then you have a wow effect. Then you have a surprise effect. Data is same. How are you presenting it? So every presenter need to develop one context. What do I mean by that? Some norms. कि अगर मैं ट्रेनिंग ले रही हूँ, मेरा एक रूल है कि मेरे इसमें स्लाइड्स कम रहेंगे. आई एम नॉट अ स्लाइड ड्रिवन पर्सन. पावर पॉइंट कम रहेगा, एक. दूसरा है, आई विल नॉट स्पीक मच, आई वॉन्ट अदर्स टू स्पीक. तीसरा है, एक्टिविटीज होनी ही चाहिए. अगर आप सुबह से हम लोग देख रहे हो, गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, वी आर इंटरैक्टिंग, एक्टिविटीज, क्योंकि नॉलेज रिटेंशन उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा है. सो व्हाट इज इट? दैट इज माई कॉन्टेक्स्ट. My rules of presentation when I will be presenting, and that can be anything. If I'm giving presentation on women, if I'm giving presentation on manufacturing industry, if I'm giving presentation to Germans, anyone, my code of honor or my rules remain same. If content is available on Google like this, just say free download PPTs and you get it. But it will still not impact if you do not have the context. Making sense? What is your context when you will give presentations? Like for example, in the morning we have seen everyone, right? What we have seen? Presentations are not meant for just giving information. मुझे information देनी, एक message देना है, नहीं. मुझे transformation लाना है, मुझे change लाना है, मुझे impact करना है, मुझे inspire करना है, मुझे motivate करना है, मुझे बदलाव लाना है. That is what is the importance of presentation. In the similar way, I don't want to present a data here. क्या आप बिना कोई एक भी स्लाइड दिखा के आपका प्रेजेंटेशन उतना ही इफेक्टिव कर सकते हो? दैट इज द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. एंड if you are not thinking about the context, then you are just working on the content. Very important, take a call whether you want, what is it that you want to do in your presentation? Impact, inspire, transformation. First call you have taken. Second very important thing is this, audience researching. We have done that. आज तक हमने लिस्ट हमेशा इसकी बनाई, मैं क्या दूंगा, आपसे बनाएंगे वो क्या चाहते हैं. And third very important thing is this, while delivering this presentation, how am I going to do it? Make at least 3 rules that you will follow in your presentation. That is a context. Making sense to everyone?